some foreigner of my life. Support her. Yes. Hi. Creation. Hello, Creation. Hello. Hello. Shout out. Thank you so much for supporting Progressigen TV. I am very happy because you are here, guys. You are here. Here. Bulol na ako. Yan. Kahit hindi ko kayang mag-English, kahit hindi ko kayang mag-Brazilian or mag-India, it's okay. No problem. 100%. 100%. Yeah. Some of my supporters from any countries, but not in the Philippines. Alam mo kung ba't ayaw nila pumasok sa live ko mga Pinoy Dars? Hirapan daw sila sa mga bisita ko. Makipag-usap. Nauubos doon mga English nila. Minsan, pag mapapasok sila Sir Bornibol, dati pumapasok sa ano ko, sabi ni Sir Bornibol, ayaw na namin mag-isti sa'yo na yung mani. Nauubos sa English namin sa mga bisita mo. Puro some foreigners like now. I have some 4 viewers and all of them are foreigners, different countries. Thank you guys. Thank you for the support, guys. I am so very happy, guys. You see, guys, look, what is this? You see, this is the salted peanut packing with 50 pesos, 5 pesos. Si PMC hindi na bumalik. Nagpakulay lang kanina. Nawala. I'm packing the salted peanut here. You see. Okay. Ma'am Lourdes, do you like this? It is a peanut. It is a peanut. Do you like this peanut, Ma'am Lourdes?
Ready ba ako? Gabriel.
Turusan na muna ni Marco. Grabe yung katulog. May bilog yan dyan, may bilog. Delicious delicious daw.
Delicious is kano.
Thank you.
Sarap.
Delicious daw, delicious Yeah, it's peanut. Yeah, it's peanut. Want to buy? You want to buy the peanuts?
Gabriel. Dahil nagab. Gabriel.
Thank you.
Gab.
Uy, nangikinabang ka din naman ng ano ni Papa mo. Mamaya, ikaw din naman manunood. Tapos hindi ka naman susunod. Ma'am Krishna, thank you, Ma'am Krishna.
Nagab oh.
Ay, dapat pala, kaganda
Dahil nagab.
Maganda pala das pag yung mukha lang ang magpakita. Hindi yung mga nasa likod.
Gabriel.
Hindi ba? Alam, may ako sa ngipin.
Dari na, ikaw na rin oh. Ikaw na, nak.
Nak, ikaw na, nak. Pakiusap ni Papa mo, nak. Dali, bebe, hindi ko to pwedeng iwan, maraming nanonood, nak. Live ko. Dali, na, saglit lang, bebe. Kaya nanginginabang din naman kayo. Nanonood din naman kayo. Bebe.
Oo.
Bolang.